What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy Ricky Johnson. So today we're just going to take a quick ride in the paid off Shelby Gt350. That's right. For all the newcomers to the channel, that car behind me is paid off in full. It's all mine. Let me show you something real quick. I want to show all you guys something out there real quick. Hold on. All right, guys. So you see that? You see those stripes? Those stripes? Yeah. See that? That's paid off. See that hood? That's paid off. Hold on. See the wheels? Yeah, that's paid off. See the bumper? Yeah, that's paid off. Yeah, I know, I'm being funny. I don't care. You see that GT350 sign? You see that GT350 sign? Yeah, that's paid off. See the door? Paid off. Everything, all of this, all mine. All mine. All of this. All of this. All of this, all mine. Paid in full. This car is paid off. Fully paid off. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. The exhaust, all that paid off. Everything paid off, man. So that's my 2017 Shelby Gt350 paid in full. I'm about to take a ride in my paid in full Shelby Gt350. I think every video that I make going forward, I'm going to say something about this car being paid off in full. So guys, let's go take a ride.